Stop. Stop drowning yourself into the noise of your own thoughts. Stop replaying, rewinding, and overanalyzing all your actions, all your words, and all your mistakes. Because while you are stuck into thinking all these things, people out there are winning. The endless cycle of worrying through your mind is not protecting you, it is not guiding you. The every second you spend on overthinking is taking your life away, is taking you aback. That second you could have spent on creating something big, on moving, on making something, but you got stuck into the loop of overthinking, which is making you question yourself, doubt yourself, and thinking the same actions again and again, the same scenarios again and again. Let me make it clear, the loop of overthinking is not your safety net, it's your cage. Overthinking disguises itself as intelligence. You think that you are being strategic, you are planning things, but what it is actually doing is paralyzing you. Overthinking whispers that planning every step is how you'll succeed, but remember, it is paralyzing you. Overthinking is making you delay all your actions. It is making you question your own instinct. It's making you live in your head than in the reality. While you're stuck in the prison of your own thoughts, people out there who are no more stronger than you, no more talented than you, no more smarter than you, are taking the very action you are afraid to take. And guess what? They are winning. Not because they are more talented, just because they moved. They took that very action. Overthinking drains your energy and you lose before you even start. You keep preparing for the conversation that may never happen. You keep practicing for the failures that may never come. You keep fighting the battles in your head that exist only in your imagination. And when the moment comes, when that opportunity comes, you are too depleted to seize it. Overthinking convinces you that you are being prepared, but what it actually does is making you unprepared when it would matter the most. Just start taking the actions. Only thinking won't help.